Good morning to everyone and welcome to Corporate Finance online classes. This is Dr. Mahesh M. Onjeri, Assistant Professor from Department of Management Studies, SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad. Okay. So dear students, before I go ahead and complete the solution to case 3, I would like to read a couple of news here that are related to investment. So please pay attention and including the Times of India. Most of the newspapers and business magazines are available online. So I have to just type the Times of India, e-newspaper, E for elephant, e-newspaper. Okay, the print version, PDF file of the newspaper, okay, will be available to you. As well as these, all the newspapers and business magazines also have their own website. You can refer anyone. So today, Times of India, Times business column. So there are two news. Yes, Shilpa. There are two news articles related to what we are learning at present. So we are learning about evaluating long-term investment projects. So the first news is about Tata Digital. So those who are not aware, for you, Tata Digital is 100% wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Sons. Okay, Tata Digital is 100% wholly owned, okay, subsidiary of Tata Sons. So this Tata Digital to invest $75 million in CureFit, CureFit. Okay, so Tata Digital on Monday said it will invest $75 million, around 550 crore rupees. I repeat, around 550 crore rupees in a fitness-focused CureFit Healthcare for an undisclosed stake. CureFit's founder and chief executive Mukesh Bansal will join Tata Digital in an executive role as its president, and official statement said Adding will continue in his leadership role for CureFit as well. So it can be noted that Tata Digital has been sealing a slew of acquisitions for expanding its e-commerce play, which will have it compete with giants like Flipkart, Amazon, and also Reliance Retail. The Tata Digital statement said Indian fitness and wellness market is growing at 20% per annum and is expected to reach $12 billion, okay, by 2025. And CureFit will help Tata Digital expand into proactive health management space. Okay, so this news is about the investment of Tata Digital into CureFit Healthcare. So they have invested around 550 crore rupees. So Tata Digital has invested 550 crore rupees in present, okay, into another business, okay, which is CureFit Healthcare. So this investment of 550 crore rupee made in present will yield revenues, okay, or stream of cash inflows in future over a period of time. So definitely Tata Digital, okay, must have evaluated this long-term investment project. Okay. Then second news just next to it, BOSCH, Bosch company, you might have heard. So some of you might have heard about this name for washing machines, Bosch washing machine, but it is far bigger company than a consumer durable. BOSCH, Bosch. Okay. So Bosch opens chip plant in Germany. Chip is integrated circuit. Okay. It's called IC, or it's also called a chip. Okay. There is a worldwide shortage of supply of these integrated circuits or chips due to the sudden rise in demand for ICs, because most of the businesses operations are going digital, from manual to digital they are moving. So there is a huge demand and there is a short supply in the global market. So many companies including Intel is also planning to open 2 chip plants in America. So Bosch has opened 1 chip plant in Germany. Now let us look at how much investment Bosch company has made into this new plant. Plant means, in a layman's language, factory. Okay. Robert Bosch opened a 1 billion euro, okay, which is equivalent to $1.2 billion chip plant in Germany on Monday. in a record investment by the leading automotive supplier as it stakes a claim to equipping the latest electric and self-driving cars. Okay, so the shortage is felt especially in the automobile industry. So those who are not aware, okay, even now cars have ICs, integrated circuits or chips. Okay, so especially in electric cars and self-driving cars. Okay, there is a great demand for these integrated circuits or chips, and these are in short supply. Okay, so that is the reason why Intel has planning to start 2 new plants in America to manufacture chips and supply to automobile industry. Okay, so Bosch has opened one plant in Germany worth $1.2 billion. Bosch has invested. The plant located in a semiconductor hub near Dresden enters service at a time of very tight supply and will increase Bosch's ability to serve car makers directly and rely less on third-party manufacturers. So as I mentioned, there is a short supply of these chips, okay, for automobile industry. Every chip that we make here in Dresden is one chip less that is lacking. That helps management. Board member Harold Kroger told Reuters in an interview. The specialist plant will not, however, make much of a dent in a global supply crunch that has forced many automakers to idle production and is expected by industry leaders and analysts to extend into next year. Okay, the fab or a chip fabrication plant may help to insulate Bosch and its key customers somewhat, said Asif Anwar at Strategy Analysts, but it is unlikely to serve as a gap filler to the current shortage being experienced in the automotive market. Okay, so those who are not aware, please know that these chips are now greatly and widely used in automobiles, cars. Okay, especially in electric cars and self-driven cars. Self-driven means like autopilot. Okay, you need not drive, the car will drive on its own. Okay, you can go to Google and find Uber has developed one such car, then Google has developed, okay, Singapore University has also developed one car and they have been successfully tested already on road. Okay, but commercially they have not yet been started. Okay, so 550 crore, okay, rupee investment by Tata Digital into CureFit Healthcare, or it is approximately about $75 million, and a $1.2 billion investment by Bosch into a new plant. So Bosch has invested $1.2 billion in at present, okay, into this new chip plant in Germany, and over a period of time in future, Bosch will make chips in that factory and they will sell and it will earn yield or revenue over a period of time in future. So I hope, okay, being MBA students, you should be able to understand now what exactly we are doing. So Bosch also definitely might have evaluated its $1.2 billion investment project. The project was about starting a new chip plant as there is shortage of chip supply in the global market, for especially for automobile industry. Okay, so many automobile companies have actually stopped producing some of their models of cars, okay, which require this IC, integrated circuits or chips. The shortage is so, okay, high. Okay, so anybody who would like to ask any question on this? 2 news articles that I read. So I hope you are able to understand that we are learning, okay, in line with international standards. Okay, remember this. Okay, somewhere we are located in the corner of the country or world. So, okay, whatever college, no, the learning brought to you is just class. But to understand it, to benefit from it, you should have a habit of reading. Remember, otherwise even gold will not have any value. Remember this. Okay, so any questions? Anybody would like to share something about the news or about other investment proposals? Many companies are investing. Okay, so one person can read 1 or 2 sources max. If 60 students start reading, there will be news from 60 sources. Think about it. Or at least 30 sources, let us say. Yeah, you can say at least yes or no. Any questions?